Welcome makers! Today we are making a Tongan Kahoa style lei using artificial gardenia flowers. We have been working on a website where you can buy finished artificial and ribbon leis, and we will link that in the description. Support our channel by subscribing and leaving this video a like and a comment. For my base, I'm using tea leaf ribbon that I purchased from Amazon. You can cut this into diagonal strips like you would fresh tea leaf, but I want to follow the grain, so I'm going to first cut strips that are about 7 inches long. Then I am going to cut each strip into 3 pieces and cut the ends into a triangle shape. I'm going to use these as I would fresh tea leaf and weave my base. I will link another video showing how to weave the base for a Kahoa style lei. For this adult lei, you will need 80 to 90 pieces of the individual tea leaf pieces to weave. Now that I am done with my base, I'm going to work on the gardenia layer. I will link these flowers that I used from Amazon. They come in a pack of 25 and you will need 16 to 18 flowers for an adult lei. I'm going to remove the wire stem from each flower and trim away half of this stem at the back of the flower. I'm trimming this so that it will lay flat on the base. I'm not cutting it completely off because this stem is keeping the center and layers of the flower together. You may want to place a dab of hot glue at the back of this stem to help keep the flower layers in place. I am using needle and string to sew on the flowers. You could also hot glue the flowers on, but I think sewing the flowers on will be a more sturdy method. The tea leaf is a poly satin ribbon and it is waterproof. It feels more like a plastic material. To prevent tearing through the ribbon when you sew on the flowers, I recommend sewing through the twine of your base when you make your first stitch. So I'm going to place my flower where I want it, pierce my needle through the twine and a layer of the flower. As I go back in with my needle, it can go through any part of the ribbon as long as my first stitch is secured through the twine. I'm sewing each flower on with 2 stitches. After sewing a few flowers on, I decided it would look better if it had some baby's breath mixed in. This baby's breath is left over from my last artificial lei tutorial, which I purchased at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to sew on the baby's breath in between each flower. This pulls right off the stem, and I'm sewing around the center stem to keep it in place. Here's our finished lei. I think using these gardenias are a great option for artificial leis. I also used these gardenias with fresh tea leaf. While these can't beat beautiful, fresh, and fragrant gardenias, they are a perfect alternative. Even wholesale gardenias are very expensive for me to order and start to brown quickly. Let me know what you think in the comments and what type of lei tutorial you want next.